Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, next thing you want to do is to click on me right here. The next thing you want to do is to click on Pay and Services. The next thing you need to do is to go to Balance. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Identity Verification right here. From the bottom here, click on Identity Verification, allow it to load. Now you are here, Identity Verification. Please provide your Hong Kong identity card for scanning and complete the face verification process. You can enjoy the following function and transaction limit after completing the verification process. So when you verify, you have unlimited transaction, and at the same time, your balance limit is about 100,000 USD. So these are all what you get if you eventually verify your Hong Kong WeChat wallet identity. And for you to start the verification, simply click on Identity Verification right here. And you will be taken right here. The first step here is to link your WeChat Hong Kong account mobile number. Once you enter your WeChat Hong Kong account mobile number, you will be sent a code for complete verification. Enter the code right here. Once you enter the code, you'll be taken to where you enter your detail, your passport information as required by Hong Kong wallet, WeChat wallet account. Once you enter the detail, proceed to selfie and upload your Hong Kong identity ID card. With that, your WeChat wallet of Hong Kong is going to be verified, and you have unlimited spending, and you have annual limitation of 100,000 USD in your WeChat wallet Hong Kong. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about WeChat wallet like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.